Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 6 Part 1. Our topic is types of baked products. Pies, pastries, and cookies. Activation of prior knowledge. Picture activity. Types of baked products, directions. Identify the baked products shown in the picture. Tell the correct name of each baked product. The following are the baking terms that we will use in this lesson. Batter. A semi-liquid mixture of flour, liquid, and other ingredients used in baking. Beat. To mix ingredients vigorously to incorporate air or combine them thoroughly. Caramelize. To cook sugar or food containing sugar until it melts and turns a golden brown, developing a rich flavor. Cut in. To mix solid fat into flour using a pastry blender or 2 knives until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Cream. To beat ingredients, typically butter and sugar, until soft, smooth, and fluffy. Cut and fold. A method of gently combining ingredients, especially delicate or airy mixtures, using a cutting and folding motion. Dough. A thick mixture of flour and liquid that is kneaded, shaped, and baked. Fold in. To gently incorporate one ingredient into another, such as folding beaten egg whites into a batter. Frost. To cover a cake or pastry with a thick, fluffy layer of icing. Glaze. To coat food with a thin, shiny, smooth layer of icing or other substance. Icing. A sweet, creamy mixture used to coat or decorate baked goods. Knead. To work dough by pressing, folding, and stretching it to develop gluten and give it elasticity. Melt. To heat a solid ingredient, such as butter or chocolate, until it becomes liquid. Stir. To mix ingredients together with a spoon or spatula in a circular motion. Sift. To pass dry ingredients, such as flour or powdered sugar, through a sieve to remove lumps and incorporate air. Master all the baking terms, and you can create perfect bakes. Picture activity. Look at the picture carefully, then answer the following questions. 1. Describe the image. 2. Is this something you would enjoy? Why? Or why not? How about this pie with meat fillings? Is this something you would enjoy? Why? Or why not? Baked products have been a staple in our everyday life. It has long been embedded in our culture. We'd all agree that at some point in our lives, we've had coffee and pan de sal for our breakfast. And not only that, but we've also observed how pan de coco, monet, Spanish bread, and ensaimada become our go-to afternoon merienda options. Whether you consume baked products as part of your main meal or as a pain with gouton, the role it provides is undeniably of high value. Types of baked products. In this topic we will only discuss first the pie, pastries, and cookies. A pie is a baked dish made with a crust filled with sweet or savory ingredients. Pie is a baked food with a crust that holds a filling. It can be sweet, like fruit, or savory, like meat or vegetables. Example of pie with savory fillings. Chicken pot pie. Example of pie with fruit fillings. Apple pie. The following are the popular pies in the Philippines. Main ingredients of pie: 4 crust, flour, butter, and water, 4 fillings. It can be fruits like apples, or meat like chicken, pork, or beef. And even vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and corn. Short description of pie. The crust can be flaky or crumbly. The filling can be sweet or savory. Baked until golden brown and delicious. Pies are perfect for any occasions and best enjoyed with others. Did you know? The pies have been around for thousands of years and are enjoyed in many cultures around the world. The word pie comes from the Old English word pie, which means a magpie bird. Because pies were once shaped like their nests. Pastries. Pastries are baked products made from flour, fat, liquid, and sometimes sugar or eggs, creating tender, flaky, and flavorful treats. Types of pastries. Puff pastry. Made with layers of dough and fat, resulting in light and flaky texture like croissant. Short crust pastry. Crisp and crumbly pastry used for tarts. Example: fruit tart. Choux pastry. Light and airy pastry made with cooked dough, like cream puff. And filo pastry. Paper-thin layers of dough, very light and crisp like baklava. Example of pastries: croissant, Danish, éclair, turnover, empanada, puff pastry, cream puff, profiteroles, and Napoleon. The following are the main ingredients in making pastries: flour, fat, liquid, eggs, sugar, and salt. Did you know that pastries have been enjoyed for centuries, from ancient pies to today's modern creations? Characteristics of pastries: flaky or tender texture, rich and buttery flavor, can be sweet or savory, often used as a base for many delicious treats. Tips in making pastries: keep ingredients cold for flakier layers, handle dough gently to keep it tender, and bake at the right temperature. Uses of pastries: for desserts and snacks, as crust for pies and tarts, for savory dishes and appetizers. Cookies. Cookies are small, sweet baked treats made from flour and other simple ingredients. Cookies are baked products that are usually small, flat, and crispy or soft in texture. They come in many flavors, shapes, and textures that people enjoy as snacks or desserts. Types of cookies. 1. Drop cookies. Soft chewy cookies made by dropping dough by spoonfuls. Examples are chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin cookie. 2. Bar cookies. It is baked in a pan and cut into bars or squares. Examples are brownies and blondies. 3. Rolled cookies. The dough is rolled out, cut into shapes and baked. 4. Pressed cookies. The dough is pressed through a cookie press to create shapes. 5. Refrigerator cookies. The dough is shaped into logs or discs, chilled, then sliced and baked. Example: pinwheel cookies, icebox cookies. Number 6. Filled cookies. These are the cookies with a filling such as jam, chocolate, or cream. Examples are jam thumbprints, chocolate sandwich cookies. 3. Rolled cookies. The dough is rolled out, cut into shapes and baked. 4. Pressed cookies. The dough is pressed through a cookie press to create shapes. Main ingredients in making cookies: flour, butter, sugar, egg, flavorings, and add-ins like chocolate chips, nuts, raisins. Characteristics of good cookies: it has good flavor and aroma. Appealing shape and size. Pleasant color. Desirable texture, it may be chewy, crispy, or soft. Not overly hard or too soft. Properly baked and safe to eat. Tips for making delicious cookies. First is to measure the ingredients accurately. Chill the dough, if needed, for better texture and shape. Bake at the right temperature. Cool cookies on a wire rack to keep them crisp. Then finally, store in an airtight container to keep them fresh.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.